all beatbox some sound effects, and you guess what they are. Okay. Game. Ready? Play. Play.
Guys, those of you guys that don't know me, I'm Bruno's beatboxer from outer space, obviously, but I used to perform live
On the beat.
One of the things I used to do is sound effects.
Sound effects.
Yes, sound effects. So this is one of the things I could do. Here's my voice impression of a cell phone.
Cell phone.
Vibrating.
Vibrating.
It's like a phone going off. There's another sound effect.
Flies.
Hate those things. Flies. Helicopters.
Helicopters.
I usually say that's my landlord. They're looking for me. And another crazy sound effect. I'll pull the microphone away from this one. Alarm clocks. Worst sound in the world. Yes. This is the sound of a weed eater.
Weed.
Weed whacker, whatever you want to call it. Now, same sound effect, but with Spider-Man. Look at his face. He's really using extra force to try to stop that train. Stupid. All right. Let's do one more sound effect, then I'm going to read some more comments. This is my heartbeat, which is usually stuck in my nose. It's like a ventriloquist trick. And I don't know why he's in there.
Yeah.
SpongeBob, get out of here, Patrick. Crickets.
Cricket.
It's my cricket sound. One more sound effect. Horses.
Horses.
Probably make it to the actual GIF. There we go. Is that all the sound effects? Yes. We'll play this game show in 1 second.